One of the most interesting learning concepts that we've had in a while.
I have never ever been to a training like this before.
Amrutt from BechoMaxx was really high energy.
So my name is Amrutt Bhatt. I've had the opportunity of hosting over 3,500 sessions till date. I specialize in designing workshops that actually help organizations transform. We come to this organization for a mission. This is a vision. We're in this together. When you operate it right, in the right psychological phrase, it is fair. Appreciation should always be in public. If you mess this equation, please don't be a leader. The methods that you will see today are tried and tested. They work. That's why they are here. Respect. All right? It's psychological. But how do you let an entire gang, an entire army go and fight on your behalf? What we're going to do today is going to look like a 5 kg dumbbell. Everything will look very simple. But it's only when you do 50 reps of 5 kg dumbbell, you realize that the dumbbell is really heavy. How to do expectation framing. ये करोगे life अच्छा रहेगा. Life will become smooth. All right? Culture will be better. And this is what you should do consistently. While keeping the earlier frameworks in place, let's also understand this. Set, ready? It's better to have action in the end because it helps you build momentum. And it also saves a lot of runaround, saves your energy as a leader, and people feel more confident. So whenever they walk up to you, they will call you more approachable. एक leader, एक IC. Temporarily banega. You can choose any scenario. What you see right now is a great implementation of this method called the burger method of giving feedback, used by leaders who want to be effective. So what you will see right now is a live implementation of it, where they showcase their understanding of this method of helping people with feedback that makes momentum happen. Have a look.
He has joined just 1 day back.
Right now we are actually using the tool, what, why, how, when.
The feedback loops works there.
This is what you would see on a pretty regular basis. Conflict, challenges, all right? Experiencing both these experiences. In some places, you might find yourself frustrated, whilst on the other side, you'll be like, I sorted it. This is so good. Itna fast, itna efficient, all right? Peace of mind will lead to more business. When you have peace of mind, no stress, that's when all the creativity happens.
It was very practical. So there's a lot of theory to read out there in terms of what you can do and how you go about doing things, etc. But 4 or 5 key concepts throughout the modules that were delivered today, and those are the hard hitters. So in fact, I think me and my team are looking forward to figuring how we can implement some of these things in our daily work, perhaps.
He has quoted multiple examples from Agrotech, multiple examples from Amex. So those were the core juices what he was able to impart to us. So yeah, that was a good jam.
It was very engaging in the century of reels, etc., where people check their phones every 10 seconds. I don't think anybody checked their phone for hours. It was very insightful, even for somebody like me who's just starting out as a leader.
Differentiator that Amrutt had was, scientifically talking about what actually matters, what things are correct, what are incorrect, how the human brain functions to a message, how somebody perceives a text or what you are talking to a person. So I think that was a key differentiator for me. Overall, a very good experience to, and a lot of learnings to take away. We're going to regroup and figure a lot of things to implement going forward. So yeah, overall, a great experience.